Hello students, today I will be teaching you the first chapter, that is 3 questions, okay, which has been written by Leo Tolstoy. Okay, let's see now about the author. He was born on September 9, 1828. Leo Tolstoy was born in Tula province, okay, in Tula province, which is in Russia. It is in Russia. In the 1860s, he wrote his first great novel, War and Peace. In 1860s, he wrote his first great novel, that is War and Peace. In 1873, Tolstoy set to work on the second of his best-known novels, that is Anna Karenina. Okay, this is his second best-known novel. Okay, he continued to write fiction throughout the 1880s and 1890s. Okay, he continued writing. Then, one of his most successful later works was the death of Ivan Ilyich. Okay, Ivan Ilyich. Okay, this is the best known works. Okay, again. Okay, Tolstoy died on November 20, 1910 in Astapua in Russia. Okay, which is in Russia. Again, he died on 20, 1910. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, now let's see about the lesson. 3 questions. Okay, what are the 3 questions which king wanted to know? Answers he wanted to know. Okay, so the first one is, okay, let's see. The thought came to a certain king in that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. He would never fail if he knew 3 things. Okay, so something came in mind. These are the questions. What are the questions? Let's see. These 3 things were: what is the best time to do each time? What is the best time to do each time? Best time you want to do. Okay. Second one, who are the most important people to work with? Who are the most important people to work with? With whom he will work, that will be the most important person. Okay. Third one, what is the most important thing to do at all times? What is the most important thing to do at all time? At all time, which is the most important thing to do. Okay. Let's continue. Many educated men attempted to answer the king's questions. Okay, many of the wise men, many of the educated people, they came to answer the question, but they all came up with the different answers. All came up with the different answers. Okay. In reply to the first question. Okay, let's see what they are answering. Some said king must prepare a timetable and follow it strictly. Okay, some said that he must prepare a timetable and he should follow it strictly. Then the other said king needed counsel of wise men. The king needed the counsel of wise men. Now let's see that. Answering to the second question, people said king needed priests, doctors, soldiers, and counselors. Answering to the second question, what they are saying that king needed priests, doctors, and soldiers, and counselors. Okay, these 4 things the king needed. Okay, what is the answer of second thing? The wise men, they are answering. Now to the third question, some said science, others said fighting, then the others suggested worship. Okay, they are answering the third question. Some are saying that the king should follow the science, the others again they are saying that he should follow the fighting, and against the others saying that he should worship God and all. Okay, that way he can do all the good things. Okay, now the king was not satisfied with the answers, but the king was not satisfied with the answers what the wise men they have answered. Okay, that questions. Let's continue. So the king decided that he needed to ask a wise hermit in a nearby village. So what did he think? He thought that he should ask a hermit. Okay, nearby one hermit was there. So he went to him. The hermit would only see common folk. He was only following the common folk. That means he was following of the old things. Okay, common folk things. Okay. Then, however, so the king, this guy is now very much not happy. Okay, because the king was all about following the folk things. Okay. So he was disguised himself as a peasant, left his guards behind, and went to see the hermit. Okay, so he went to see the hermit. He left all the guards and everyone behind, and he went to see the hermit. The hermit was digging flower beds when the king arrived, what was he doing? He was digging the flower beds. Okay, he was digging the ground. The king asked his questions, but the hermit went on digging rather laboriously. Okay, he went on digging, he did not answer anything. The king offered to dig for him for a while. Then what did the king do? He asked for the spade, and then he also started digging. Before the hermit could answer, no. Okay, after digging for some time, the king again asked his questions. Again, after digging, he is asking again and again to the hermit. Okay, he asked again. Before the hermit could answer, a man emerged from the woods. A man is coming from the woods. Okay, he's pressing his stomach. He's pressing his stomach because it was wounded and it was bleeding. He was bleeding from a terrible stomach wound. Okay, stomach wound. One wound was there, and from there he was bleeding. The king tended to him, and they stayed the night in the hermit's hut. Okay. So the king took him, okay, he washed, pressed everything, he cleaned with a handkerchief, and then now what happened? This man, okay, this stranger man always coming from the wood, is feeling better, and then he's feeling better, and when he felt better, what did they do? They stayed in the hermit's house. There they are staying now. Okay. By the next day, the wounded man was doing better. The next day, the wounded man was doing better, but was incredulously at the help he had received. Okay, now he is feeling that he is grateful to that man. Okay, because the king, he helped him in getting well. Okay, so he is very grateful to him. The man confessed that he knew who the king was. The man, okay, confessed that who the king was. He knew, okay, he knew who the king was, and that the king had executed his brother and seized his property. What he is telling the king that the king knows, and he knows the king because the king had executed his brother and he had seized the property. He had come to kill the king. Now what he is saying that he had come to kill the king, but the king's guards had wounded him. He had come to kill the king, but king's guard, those were behind, the king had left them behind. No, so they wounded him. Okay, they wounded him. The man pledged allegiance to the king. The man pledged allegiance to the king. That means what? That means he is telling that since you have saved me, I will be very grateful to you and I will help you all that. Okay, that is what the man is saying. And he went on his way, and he left the king and went on his way. The king asked the hermit again for his answers, and the hermit responded that he had just had his questions answered. Now the king asked the hermit again for his answers. So and the hermit responded that he had just had his questions answers while helping the stranger man, while doing the work with the hermit. Okay, what is the king? The hermit saying that already you have got the answer. Okay. Okay, so he is telling the answer. Okay, just he is explaining what he is saying. The most important time is now. The most important time is now. The present is the only time over which we have power. Okay, the present time. It is the only time over which we have power. When we have power, that is only the present time, and that is the most important time. Okay, that is now. Okay. Answering the second question, what is it? The most important person is whoever you are with. Whoever you are with is the most important person. Okay, with whom you are living, with whom at home you might be seeing your parents are there, your brothers are there. So you are staying with them, so they are the most important people. Okay. Answering to the third question, what is it? The most important thing is to do good to the person you are with. The most important thing is to do good to the person you are with whom you are working, with whom you are living. The most important thing is to do good to the person you are with. You have to do good to that person with whom you are there. You don't have to neglect. Okay. So the lesson is over. Thank you so much. Okay. Bye.